Today we're featuring a 2015 Honda Civic EX. It's got 29,000 miles on it. Alright, it's got a clean Carfax. It's a one owner. It is a certified unit. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around. Make our way down the driver's side here. Everything's in good shape. Everything looks good there. Across the back of the vehicle, it does have rear backup camera. Alright, everything looked good on the rear of the vehicle. Coming down the passenger side, everything looks good. And one thing I'm noticing as I'm walking around the car, it does have 4 brand new tires. And this is your blind spot monitoring camera there on the side, and I'll show you that when we get in. Alright, everything looks really good. Alright, 29,000 miles on a 2015. It is a certified Honda. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Door panel's in good shape, got the black on black. It is equipped with black leather. Okay. Driver's seat's in good shape. Passenger seat's in good shape too. Alright, let's go ahead and get your key fob out here. Show you that it does come with 2 key fobs. Key fobs there. It does have power sunroof. Alright, push button start as well. I'll go ahead and give you a shot of the back seat. Back seat's been well taken care of. Put the keys back here. Alright, we got automatic transmission. Got your HDMI USB power outlet. It is equipped with heated seats. Control panel there. Alright, touchscreen and backup camera, and I'll turn that on for you in a second. Alright, leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. And there's your blind spot monitoring button there, right here. And we'll engage that in a second. I'll show you all about that. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Alright, it's got 29,507 miles on it. Alright, and there's your push button start. Alright, this Civic is also equipped with navigation. Let me get you back to your home screen so you can see that. Knock down the glare here, shut the sunroof, there we go. Alright, you got navigation, phone, info, audio, settings. Go ahead and engage your backup camera. Alright, let me dim that down a little bit. There we go, so you can see that a little bit better. There you go. Get back to our home screen. Go ahead and engage navigation. Alright. It also has the blind spot monitoring. Alright, you hit the button that I showed you earlier, and it brings up the blind spot in your car there, making a lane change on the interstate. Awesome safety feature that Honda puts out. Really cool feature. Alright, we have the air conditioner going now for about 15 minutes. Everything's blowing cold there. Alright, this Civic is equipped with the nice thick rubber floor mats. Alright, one over there as well. They're also in the back. Let's see if I can slide this up for you a little bit. There we go. Alright, as you can see, they're well taken care of. It's also really nice to have. Go ahead and check out your trunk storage area, trunk space. Alright, got the nice hard plastic cover in here as well. Everything's in good shape there. Alright, plenty of space back here, plenty of room. Let's go ahead and check out the wheels and tires. It's got 17-inch alloys. And all new tires on all 4 wheels. Alright, once again guys, it's a 2015 Honda Civic EXL. It's got navigation, backup camera, blind spot monitoring. It's got all the bells and whistles, sunroof. Alright, it's got a clean Carfax. It's a one owner, 29,000 miles on it. It is a certified unit. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.